Hello my lovelies, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome, wonderful and well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I do appreciate it. This video is going to be very short, so I just want to give you guys a little nudge that I am going to be planning a giveaway coming up sometime soon. I am not quite sure if this giveaway is going to be before the end of this year. We are now in the month of December, or if it's going to be in the new year, but somewhere between the end of this year and the new year, I have a giveaway coming. I just want to say thank you to all of you guys who've placed your orders. Thank you to all of you guys who've done your unboxings and your beautiful feedback. Thank you guys so much. For many of you who do not know, my name is Odette. I do have a brand of lashes called Starlashesbyodette. I do have 5 styles in my collection: Romeo, Joy, Faith, Just Girly, and Chance. Joy is one of those styles you can definitely wear with your glasses. And when you place your order, you will be receiving 2, not 1. I still get a lot of DMs from people saying, $13.55, is it for 1 or is it for 2? You are going to be receiving 2 boxes of these. And I live in Canada, so it's $13.55, and that includes the taxes, which is HST, PST, GST. You said $13.55 through PayPal, and I'm going to ship these to you guys. Shipping and handling is totally free. All of the ordering details will be in the description box for you guys. And this is my PR package right here, and so one of my lucky subscribers will be receiving this beautiful PR package with the 5 styles of lashes, including something a little extra in your box. So I just want to give you guys a little heads up and a little nudge about this. The giveaway is coming. You have to be a subscriber to my channel. And stay tuned, the giveaway will be coming up shortly, and I'm going to be posting this also on Instagram to let you guys know that one of my lucky subscribers will be receiving this beautiful PR package with the 5 style of lashes and a little extra something. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and thumbs up this video. Again, all the ordering details for the lashes will be in the description box, and one of my lucky beautiful subscribers will definitely receive this gorgeous PR package. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles!